Mana men hozirgina Cristiano Ronaldo'ni sotib oldim. Joni pasayib ketibdi. Hozir buni jonini ko'paytirib olamiz. Palmer, Messi, Jota, Bovni men Braziliyalik olmoqchi ochmoqchi edim, lekin buni berib qo'ydi. Lotomba, Realning yana bir himoyachi Asensio, Kimpembe, Becker, Dubravka shularni ko'paytirib olamiz. Keyin bu yoqda Alaba va Canvales ketdi. Bizning pulimiz 93 ta. Hozir o'yin o'ynab chiqamiz. O'yin o'ynab chiqib pulimizni ko'paytiramiz.
These teams are back. It's a 4-2-3-1
stadionimiz ekan, lekin stadionimiz biroz past reytingda. Lekin biz o'ynashga harakat qilamiz.
That pass could have been better.
Palmer, Ronaldo, Jota, Jotaga qaytaradi, Irmambaga qaytariladi. Jota, Bovedan zarba va gol. 7-daqiqada bitta gol. Hozircha 1-0.
The replay will give us a closer look. Makes the pass.
Messi hozir yiqitdi, lekin
Lionel Messi.
hakamimiz
Short throw, a misplaced pass. He got that all wrong.
Messi hozir biz akrobat tepishga harakat
Will it
qilamiz.
go in?
Voy, o'xshamadi. Keyingi safar lekin o'xshashga harakat qilamiz.
Pass. He's hit it too high. The keeper can give a sigh of relief. He did well to win the ball back.
Ronaldo, Barba, Thiago Jota, akrobatik zarba desam,
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, this player really is exceptional in the air. There's no surprise there. The ball ended up firmly in the back of the net.
shunchalik zo'r o'ynasa ham lekin reytingga tushib qolgan.
Oh, well intercepted.
Bilasizlar, yaqinda Denis Girmayevich chiqadi.
The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. And it's in off the woodwork. 2 goals today from this exciting player. This is Grant. Careless pass there. Pass could have been better.
Messi, Jota, Ronaldo birga chiqib ketdi. Himoyachidan